to get busy with your business planning. Hi, I'm Jennifer Nicely with Pinnacle Real Estate Academy. Today we're going to be talking about how to do your business planning and how to get started. We're also going to have additional courses on business planning that really walks you through how to do this. See, a lot of people talk about business planning, maybe even your boss or employer talks about business planning, but do you really know how to write a plan? Now, here's the thing. When it comes to business planning, if you don't write it down, it's just a wish. And if you write it down, 90% of everything you write down becomes true. It becomes fact. So you need to make sure you put your plan in writing, take it out of your head, and put it on paper. So let's talk about a few things here. A lot of business advisors want to tell you to do a 12-month business plan. But if you're in real estate or you're an entrepreneur, you know that in 12 months you can have an entirely new landscape of business and an entirely new economic system that you're having to work within. So although I love the idea of 12 months, I really like the idea of 90 days. So in our business planning class, we're going to teach you how to come up with a 90-day plan, a 12-month plan, a 3-year plan, and a 5-year plan. Keep in mind the 3 and the 5 years fluctuate. You've got to be able to mold your business with that as the economy changes. But for the most part, you're going to get more done in those 90 days than you ever did just doing a 12-month plan. Now, here's the other problem with business planning is most people have too broad of an idea. You have to narrow it down. So we want to work this backwards. You want to start at the 5-year plan. Where do you want to be in 5 years? Write down that plan, and then what are you going to do in 3 years in order to reach the 5-year? Then you're going to look at the 12 months. What are you going to do in those 12 months in order to reach the 3-year, in order to reach the 5-year? Then you're going to look at the 90 days. When you back yourself into the business plan, it's going to make a lot more sense and you're going to be able to complete it. So start on the big picture of the 5 years and work your way backwards. After you come up with your 90, your 12-month, your 3-year, and your 5-year, these are called strategic imperatives. Some people call them pillars. Doesn't matter which way you call it, but they're strategic imperatives. Once you have your strategic imperatives for all 4 time frames, then you're going to come up with your tactical imperatives. And these tactical imperatives are the checklist and the stepping stones to reach that goal. Now, again, all of this may sound a little complicated to you. We're going to simplify this for you on December 2nd. Remember, you're going to want to go into the new year with a clear vision and plan of what it looks like. Again, on December 2nd, we are going to dive into this. I am going to hold your hand. I am going to give you a template, and we are going to walk through your business plan together. So check us out on our website, pinnaclerealestateacademy.com. There's a professional development tab at the top. Click on that. You'll find all of our professional development courses. I promise you this is going to be a business planning class like you've never attended before, and you're going to walk away with an actual template and an actual business plan. So we'll see you on December 2nd, either Zoom or in person at our headquarters in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. If you are anywhere in the country, this is going to help you, and we can see you on Zoom. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. We here at Pinnacle Real Estate Academy are always here to help you.